Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the head unit. Turn ignition to ACC or start the engine so the Suzuki audio system is active. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This makes the devices findable. Make sure you know the head unit model or any pairing code listed in the manual, because some Wagon R stereos require a PIN. You're initiating the connection now, not later. This avoids Bluetooth timeouts and speeds up pairing. You'll navigate the head unit menus. Choose Settings, then Bluetooth, then Pairing or Add Device. Once the head unit searches, switch to your phone and select the displayed Wagon R or head unit name. If a PIN appears, compare it with the phone's prompt and confirm on both sides. If not, enter the default code from the manual. Make sure to accept media and call access when the phone asks, because those permissions enable audio playback and hands-free calling. You're at the finish line. Confirm the phone shows connected on the stereo, and then play music or make a test call to verify sound and mic functionality. If pairing fails, delete the stored Wagon R entry on the phone and remove the phone from the head unit, then retry pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: if it still won't connect, reboot the phone and power cycle the car stereo. This clears temporary Bluetooth states and resolves most stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.